I'm Megan Hall, and welcome back to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I test and rate one generative AI tool every single week so you don't have to. This week, I tested Uizard, which is a user interface tool that helps design and prototype websites and apps. I tested the free version, but the full version costs $12 per user per month for small businesses and $39 per user per month for large organizations. To me, the most interesting thing about Uizard is that you can upload a simple drawing of what you want your website or app to look like, and Uizard will generate a base level layout that you can edit and customize. I tested this tool by sketching out a layout that I'd like to use for our website, genaitoolbox.com. As you can see, it includes a couple of simple buttons, some blocks for images and logos, and a few buttons to contact us. Here's what Uizard generated based on that drawing. It was a really good starting point for what I wanted to do, and from here I used Uizard to customize the site, add elements, and import my own photos. Uizard even has a tool that's not dissimilar to DALL-E or Midjourney that allows you to type in a prompt for a photo or visual and have it generated to use for your prototype. It's also integrated with Unsplash, a site that allows users to download fair use images. After adding my own elements and customizing my prototype, here's what I ended up with. The prototype is interactive, and so when I click on specific buttons, I can see the next screen that I designed, like this. Once you finish your prototype, you can export it as a static file, share it with a team for feedback, or embed it into a website. Uizard also has a number of other prototyping capabilities, including the ability to convert a screenshot into an editable prototype and a number of pre-made design templates. They're also beta testing a tool that would allow you to convert a prompt or text into an editable prototype, but I'm thousands and thousands of people deep on that waiting list. If your job requires you to create prototypes of apps, digital tools, or websites, you should definitely check Uizard out. And if your role is more focused on editing and giving feedback on those sites, Uizard makes that easy too. Every week, I rate these Gen AI tools out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give Uizard all 5 stars, my first 5-star rating in the series, and hopefully not my last. It's very easy to use, even for somebody who's not spent a lot of time prototyping. If you can use Canva, you can use Uizard. If I was prototyping a site or an app, I think I would use this tool to save me time, and the quality of the prototype was great. I really liked that I was able to interact with the buttons and that I could get feedback from a team, and it was just like using a Google Doc. Thinking in terms of practicality, even though there are a limited number of jobs that this directly affects, I think that it could democratize prototyping a little bit and make those jobs that already require it a lot easier. The tool is inexpensive, and it's definitely something that I would invest in after testing out the free version. Thanks so much for joining me for the 3rd episode of the Gen AI Toolbox, and I'll see you next Friday.